Hello and welcome to Data 3 Network, where you can create AI personas by giving it intelligence from your private data. Today we will see a demo of how to create an AI persona, give it intelligence, create an AI coin for that persona, and trade on that coin, all without writing a single line of code. Let's begin. The first step is creating an AI persona. An AI persona is a digital character that derives its intelligence from the data you provided. It could be your persona as a travel influencer, financial advisor, music enthusiast, or any fictional character you want to bring to life. First, we give it a name and a meaningful description. Remember, the more descriptive your persona is, the more people will be able to understand and connect with it. I am creating a travel influencer persona here, which will share all my travel experiences and provide tips based on my journeys. I make my persona public because I want others to interact with it. You can make it private too. Every public persona has its own AI coin with its own wallet. I make it a free persona so that anyone can access it for free. I provide the coin name and coin symbol. For the personality trait, I use Gen Z Trendy. Once this is done, I pay the required fees or apply discount coupons, and my AI persona deployment is underway. Once deployed, I start giving my persona intelligence by providing it with my data. I upload all my travel notes, my travel blogs, and other travel-related information. Once this information is processed, my AI persona is ready. It's that simple. I can now chat with it and ask questions and suggestions, and it will give me responses based only on the information I provided. Isn't it awesome? Now that I have created my persona, let's see how it is trading. In the home page, I see my persona has a coin listed and it has no trades against it yet. So I do my first trade and buy my persona coins. Remember, every coin follows a bonding curve with no previous team personal allocations. The coin price rises with every buy, so better to get in early and hold. You can buy more tokens and sell them anytime. After placing my first buy, I see the new spot price, 100% on-chain, and you can verify it anytime. We are currently on base mainnet. There is the comments section, and I can put in comments, get my community to start discussing about this coin, and ask them to add more comments and likes. You can copy the link to your AI persona and integrate this persona in your website or blog. You can discover other interesting coins, interact with their personas, build your AI coin portfolio, and buy and sell other AI coins. The complete AI economy in your hands. So that's it. Create your AI personas and start earning. Thank you for watching.